If you want to improve your English, you're in the right place.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English podcast. I'm Emma, and today we're going to share some practical expressions that you can easily use in everyday situations. These phrases will help you feel more confident when speaking English in real life.
That's right, Emma. These expressions are simple, natural, and very useful for daily conversations. Let's get started with our first one.
Our first phrase is, "Could you say that again, please?" This is very helpful when you don't hear someone clearly, maybe because of background noise or a bad phone connection.
Exactly. Using this phrase sounds polite and shows that you're genuinely interested in understanding the other person, not ignoring them.
The next phrase is, "I need some help with this." You can use it when you're not sure how to do something, for example, at work or while studying.
Yes, Emma. It's clear and respectful. Asking for help this way makes communication much easier and more comfortable.
Another useful expression is, "I'm not sure what you mean." This is great when a topic is confusing or someone explains something too quickly.
That's an important one. It's completely okay to ask for clarification, especially when you're learning a language.
Now let's move on to a friendly phrase. "It's great to meet you." You can use this when you meet someone for the first time, either socially or professionally.
Absolutely. This phrase helps you sound warm and confident and is perfect for starting conversations.
Next, let's talk about "I appreciate it." This is a nice alternative to saying thank you and sounds very natural in everyday English.
Yes, and people often use it at work or with friends to show gratitude in a more relaxed way.
Another common phrase is, "Just a moment, please." You can use this when you need a little time before responding or helping someone.
Right. It's polite and useful in many situations, like answering calls or talking to customers.
Now let's look at a professional expression. "I'd like to discuss something with you." This is great for meetings or serious conversations.
It sounds respectful and clear, especially in work or academic environments.
Here's another helpful phrase. "Could we talk about this later?" You can use it when you're busy and want to continue the conversation at another time.
Exactly. It helps you manage your time without sounding rude.
Let's move on to expressing opinions. A good phrase is, "from my point of view."
Yes, this phrase allows you to share your thoughts politely and confidently during discussions.
Now for making polite requests. Would it be possible to? For example, would it be possible to finish this tomorrow?
That's a very soft and respectful way to ask for something, especially in formal situations.
Finally, let's talk about offering support. You can say, "I'm here if you need anything."
That's a great phrase. It shows kindness and willingness to help, which is very important in communication.
So, these expressions can really improve how you communicate in English on a daily basis.
We encourage you to practice them and use them in real conversations as much as possible.
Thanks for listening to our podcast today.
See you next time and keep improving your English.